This is a reaction to.
This is gonna be our reaction to or one guy, one screwdriver.
Where's it?
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
What the fuck?
How could he even fit that in there? It's spewing blood. That's disgusting. I think something just happened to my stomach.
For real?
Like it felt like something.
That's fucking this.
It was like literally going like little water just.
Something's wrong with that dude, I
I
swear.
know. Ew, that's a bunch of blood.
Dang, it looks like he pissed blood.
I know. And then he sat on the jar. Where's he? What?
That's all the blood?
Yeah, it's the one where he ran into the bathroom or something. Ugh, that's disgusting.
Something's wrong with it.
That's disgusting.
Well.
I don't think I was in the video, but okay.
Yeah. No, you were.
Okay.
Were you going that way?
I think so. I was going like this.
Alright, there.